Hello. This is what it means to be a VIP apparently. Getting your kicked by two Vietnamese babes. She's so deep. Why? Why? Massage. Ready?
Let's go.
Alright guys. Today, if I don't get run over, I'm going to be making a video I wanted to make for a while now. Male pampering salon here in Saigon. And last time I tried it, they told me I couldn't film. So this time, I'm going to have a go and see if I can actually film. Obviously, looking the way I do, I've got to get, I've got to talk to the managers, this and that, make sure they know I'm not trying to do anything funny. Because the usual clientele is like Korean, Chinese, Japanese sort of businessmen and tourists. So I spoke to the manager, she was cool with it, and we're gonna give it a go. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi.
So those two work at the sister branch, and the manager told me, come to the VIP shop. I want to show you the VIP shop. So there it is. And yeah, let's have a go. They were a little bit baffled as to what I'm doing here, but this is the place. And they said I can select the girl, so we'll see. Hello. Who can anyone speak English? No English? No English. Okay, this is gonna be funny. Who's okay? You choose. Okay. So take off your shoes. Thank you. Thank you. What is your name?
Ni.
Nay. And you?
Na.
Nay and Na. Okay. And there's even phone charger. Nay? Na. Okay.
Ni nè.
Nina.
Rồi.
Alright. That's how this goes.
Go down.
Go down, up.
Down.
Down. Okay.
Savino. You want Savino?
Like this.
Okay.
And yeah.
Okay.
Come on, thank you.
Come on.
How old are you? How old? 19. And me? 20. 25. Wow, okay. When I travel, I do kind of rough it a little bit. So this is really nice to just come and pamper myself and relax. So right now I've got like a beautiful woman washing my feet and another one about to shave me. Are you from Saigon?
No.
No? Where are you from?
Anh
Anye?
Oh.
Where's Anye? I don't know where Anye is. And where are you from?
Cần Thơ nữa đó.
Canton?
Cần Thơ.
Really? Okay. I only know a little bit Vietnamese.
Vietnamese.
Only Xin chào,
Xin chào.
Xin lỗi,
Xin lỗi.
Tính tiết.
Tính tiền. Ồ.
I'm doing a really bad job at filming this, but yeah, I'm a little bit distracted. just hoping this is a fresh blade. Cảm ơn nữa.
Cảm ơn em.
Come on, em ơi.
Em
Chị ơi. Chị ơi.
Chị ơi. Bà này chị ơi. Dầu ống nhiều quá, nó dính nhiều dầu ống à.
I think if heaven exists, this ngon.
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 Ngon à. Không biết thêm được câu nữa.
Đẹp quá, beautiful. Đẹp quá.
Cái này ông cắt. No, cắt.
You want?
You know.
Oh. No.
No.
So, little tip in Vietnam: if you have a beard, do it yourself. It's really hard to report what's going on right now, but this is. She's tiny, but she's actually quite strong. And we switched hands now, guys. I'm in heaven right now. I can't believe this kind of service exists. We need this in Australia. And the place is called VIP, Emperor VIP. And to be honest, I do feel like at least a VIP, not quite an emperor, but at least a VIP. As if the massage couldn't get better. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, yeah, she's actually really strong. That's actually my bad side. Man. Oh my god. Ooh. She's full getting in there, like in the shoulder. I gotta say, sitting on planes and carrying like a backpack around, this and that. You should do this like as soon as you get off the plane and check in Saigon. It's like located right in the tourist area. So your hotel's probably like right next to it.
Are you okay?
Yes. I'm happy. Now it's a forehand massage. Oh, it's cold. I guess I'll see you later. So I've got cucumbers on my face and I'm literally about to get my ears cleaned while another girl gives me a leg massage. Oh god. Oh, she's so deep. Oof. I'm so sorry. Xin lỗi.
Okay.
That's going all the way in. That's all come out of my ear. That's gross. Oh, bruh. No.
Relax. Yeah.
Guys, I can't tell you how deep that is. That's literally like the deepest anyone's ever gone in my ear. Holy sh**. I don't like that she's not even looking like... God. No.
No. Where? Why? Are you okay?
No.
No. Two. Okay, no.
Is there more? Oh god, there's more.
Okay, one more.
One more?
One more.
Oh, just one. Oh, thank you. Oh, by the way, that's happening. That's nice. I like this one. I don't know. This one's like out to kill me or something.
No lie.
It's okay. Good. Good.
Okay.
Ready?
Let's go.
Let's go. I just feel so vulnerable right now. You know, some guys really, really like getting this done. Like they say it's like an orgasm or something. I don't know. Like this part's nice. Then when they go full deep, but like, what's this? This in my ear? What? What's that? Ugh. Sorry.
Okay.
They must think I'm so filthy or something when they pull this stuff out of my ear. Like, bro, I don't know how it gets in there. Oh, that feels nice. That's nice. Oh,
Yeah, gái tình yêu.
that's in my ear.
Yeah.
Ugh. Okay.
Okay. One more nè, okay.
One more. I said one more before and there was like two more.
Two more. Two more. Okay, two more.
I see. Ah, finally.
Okay.
Thank you. Xin chào.
Xin chào.
My ears clean. I can hear everything. I do you? I clean your ear?
No.
Yes, I do. I do for you.
No.
When you've been walking around, and I look silly with this, by the way. When you've been walking around and around, this is. I don't know if I can show you that. What?
Rồi bé bên kia đi.
Oh god.
Wait.
What?
Phèn đúng không?
Why?
Lại.
Why? Massage. Oh man. My cheeks? Not beautiful.
You know, cái này ok.
This one's really strong. Jeez.
Hỏi chết là nhớ kìa.
No, it hurts.
Ok. Cái dạng mở.
Oh, I'm supposed to be having a good time. This is
Okay.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Don't let the light go on it.
Ow.
You hit me, yeah?
Yeah. Next comes the beating. Ow. Why? That was good. That was good. We go.
Good.
Yeah, good, really good. Alright, after the ear cleaning, facial, massage, whatever, we're gonna do like a, we're going up or down? Up?
Down.
Down. We're going down.
No.
Going down. Down. And we're gonna do like a shampoo.
Massage nữa nè. Massage.
Massage.
No.
Okay, sure. You're the boss. This is what it means to be a VIP apparently. Getting your ass kicked by two Vietnamese babes. There's other people here, so I can't feel like a pancake. After the shampoo, sorry, after the massage, it's like a shampoo or a head massage. And yeah. After all the pain and the back cracking and the stomping me, now relax. So gentle. It feels so good. It's really good, thank you. You're crazy over there. Yeah, okay.
Hello, nice to meet you.
It's good.
Relax. Không kêu. No. Đó. No. Đó.
I didn't even show you guys how big this place is though. Look at the size of this. That is huge. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beds. Oh, that's a hair salon. Salon, go down. Go down.
Sấy tóc.
Huh?
Sấy tóc.
Shave.
Rồi là sấy tóc.
Shave.
Sấy tóc. Tóc. Sấy. Sấy tóc. Sấy tóc. Rồi. Sấy.
Oh, hair dry, blow dry. Blow
Sấy
dry.
tóc.
Sấy tóc. Blow dry. Blow dry.
Sấy tóc.
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 Blow dry.
Nói đi. Sấy tóc.
Blow dry.
Đó. Cái gì hoài. Sấy tóc.
I think she wants to fight.
Sấy tóc.
She wants to fight.
Sấy tóc.
You want to fight? You want to fight? Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Say tops.
Rosen skin.
Okay. Like this?
Phải phạt. Ồ. Dẫu lên. Let's go.
Okay. That was the male pampering experience at Emperor VIP. And we finish off with tea or coffee. I chose tea. And 100% worth it. A nice tea to finish. Alright. Now I'm feeling fresh. Guys, that was really good value. That was 400,000 dong. At the other store, which is just over that way, it's 350,000. I think that's like the more premium site they have. I tipped a little bit just because they were so nice and friendly, and they allowed me to film. But man, next time I'm in town, I'm definitely going there. I think they lined me up pretty well. Gave me a nice little blow dry, and the facial was really good. Feeling fresh. Guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.
I love you.
También.